Hi everyone, this is Dr. Katie from Scribenote. Today we'll be walking through adaptive template sharing on the web. Let's get into it. In the top right hand corner of your account, you're going to go into the adaptive template page, and then we will go into a template that we've already created or make a new one. Either way, we'll go into one we've already created today. So, in the top right-hand corner of the template, you can see the two buttons which we'll be working with today. This first one is the one we're going to start with, Share Template. So we'll click on that, and then we have a few options of ways to share. Now, by default, the template is restricted to only you and people you can invite with email. So if you're wanting to do that, you can type people's email addresses into this box up here and then hit done, and the template will be shared with them via email. If you'd like to share with your team, then you just select this button, and then you can also share with the public. So anyone with the link, which you can copy the link here and then share with anyone using the link that has access to your template. So for the purposes of this video, we'll share with our team, and then you can see this green thing that says General Access Updated, and we'll hit Done. And now this other button is kind of unlocked. So we've got this option now to set this as a team default. And what this means is basically that this is accessible to your entire team to record under in their drop down for recording. So I'll show you what that looks like. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to set this as a team default. Now, if you have more than one team, you'll see an option of which teams you'd like that to be selected for, but currently this is a one team kind of situation, so it'll either be set or remove. Now we're going to go back to the dashboard, and because we've set that as a team default, in our drop down we can see the team defaults show up in the drop down for recording. So that's basically all the different ways you can share your template with your team on the web. Now, receiving a template is just a tiny bit different. Okay, so I have open a link that was shared with me for a template. So basically just click to open it up, and then we're going to click this copy to my templates button in the top corner. We do have to rename our template. You can keep the name or change it depending on what you want to call it, just to make it personalized to yourself. And so I just have mine a little bit different, and then I'm going to hit yes, copy template. Now, the super cool thing about this is you can get this person's template, but if you want something different in here, this is the basis of the template. You can change anything you'd like, and you can go ahead and edit. You can add specifics, you can remove body systems, you can remove, anything that you want or add anything that you want, and just remember to save at the end. And that's it. I hope that helps.